This UPS driver saved this dog's life. For the last 3 years, this couple has had the same driver. Every time he would come over, he would pet the husky, drop the package off, and always made sure to bring treats. The husky would lick him back, jumping all over him in excitement every time she saw the van. But one day when the driver arrived, the husky was found choking on litter from the previous day. This dog was unfortunately in its final moments until a miracle happened. He warned the owners, who were at work at the time, and sped to the vet to get emergency medical treatment done. The husky recovered, and the parents never forgot this moment.